Today, I'm going to show you how PhraseVault can streamline your AI workflows with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney. We'll create a blog post using stored prompts for priming, topic suggestion, outline creation, and content drafting. First, open your AI chat interface and place your cursor in the input field. Press Ctrl and the period key to launch PhraseVault. Type priming to search for your saved priming prompt. As you type, PhraseVault filters the results in real time. Select the priming prompt and press Enter to paste it into the chat. Send it to set the context for your AI. Next, repeat the process to insert the topic suggestion prompt. Use PhraseVault to quickly find and paste it. The AI will now suggest topics based on the primed context. Once you have a topic, use PhraseVault to insert the outline creation prompt. Again, search and paste it effortlessly. The AI will generate a detailed outline for your blog post. Finally, insert the content drafting prompt from PhraseVault to have the AI draft the full content based on the outline. And that's it. With PhraseVault, managing and reusing your AI prompts is fast and efficient, letting you focus more on creativity and less on repetitive typing.